today we'll be solving one question where a polynomial is given to you, and that polynomial is x power 4. Let me write it over here. Okay, it's x power 4 okay. The degree of this polynomial is 4, x power 4 plus px square, right, plus q. This is the polynomial given to you. Okay, and it's given that the x square plus 2x plus 5 is a factor to this polynomial, right? It's given that x square plus 2x plus 5 is a factor to what? To the above polynomial, right? So that means if this is a factor to this is a factor. You know what is the meaning of factor? Factor, that means suppose 16 is given to you, then we can say 16 is a factor of 4, 16 is a factor of 2, 16 is a factor of 8. That means the given number is completely divisible by the divisor. So here this will be the divisor. That means when we divide the polynomial x4 plus px square plus q with x square plus 2x plus 5, right, if this will be the divisor, if divisor is what? X square plus 2x plus 5, right? If this is the divisor, that means we divides whom? To dividend what will be the dividend? Dividend is x4 plus px x4 plus px square plus q, right? If this will be the dividend, then the remainder will be 0, right? Then it leaves remainder is equal to 0. So this is the main understanding which you need to understand, that if any polynomial is a factor of a given polynomial, then it means the given factor is directly and completely dividing the given polynomial, and the remainder will be 0, right? So let us find the value of p and q, so that it is asked into the question, what is the value of p plus q, right? Here p and q will be a variable to us, and we are not knowing the value of p and q, right? So let us divide by x square plus 2x plus 5, dividing whom? Let us divide the given polynomial, that is x4 plus px square plus q, right? x4 plus px square plus q. Now just a simple division. You can see the for the dividend the maximum degree is 4, and for the divisor the maximum degree is 2. So in 2 times, when you in x square times, it we will get x4, x square multiplied by x square will be x4, x square multiplied by 2x will be 2x cube plus 2x cube plus x square multiplied with 5 will be giving you 5x square. Now just simple subtraction will happen as happening in division. So here x4 and x4 will be cancelled out, right? And we are left with minus 2x cube, this one, plus px square minus 5x square. Then we can write p minus 5 x square, then q. Now here for the second line, now this is the remainder, minus 2x cube plus p minus 5 times x square plus q. But this is again, this is divisible, okay? So in x times, when you take x times, then x into x square will not x times it, you just try to vanish the first term. So when you take minus 2x times, then minus 2x into x square will be minus 2x cube, right? So it will be not x, it's minus 2x, right? So in minus 2x times, it will be minus 2x into x square will be minus 2x cube, right? Minus 2x into 2x will be minus 4x square. Minus 2x into 5 will be give you minus 10x, right? Now minus will be changed to plus, and this minus is also changed to plus, and this minus will be changed to plus, because this complete green term is under subtraction. So here minus 2x cube cancelled out, right? And we are left with what? P minus 5 and minus 4. P minus 5 and not minus 4, this will be plus 4. Plus 4 times x square minus, not minus, it will be plus. So plus 10x plus q, isn't it? Now to divide this remainder, this can be further simplified as minus 5 plus 4 can be written as p minus 1. So it will be p minus 1 times x square plus 10x. This pen is creating some problem, but don't worry, we are able to finish it. I am using two colors so that you can easily understand each step. So now this is the divisor, x square plus 2x plus 5. So in p minus 1 times, it will be giving you p minus 1 x square, the first term. So the third term we are taking as p minus 1. That is, this, when this divisor is this, then quotient is p minus 1, which is added over into the quotient. Then p minus 1 times x square will be p minus 1 into x square. P minus 1 into 2x will be 2 times p minus 1x. P minus 1 into the third term 5 will be 5 times p minus 1, right? Now this plus will be changed to minus. If nothing is there, that means plus was there. This plus is changed to minus, and this plus is also changed to minus. Now what will happen? You can see p minus 1 x square and p minus 1 x square will be cancelled out, and we are left with this 10x minus 2p plus 1, minus 2p plus 1. right? 10x minus 2p minus minus plus 1, not plus 1, this 2 will multiply with this one and this will be 2, right? And this times x, right? And the constant terms, that is q minus 5p plus 5, isn't it? Q minus 5p plus 5. Now you can see the highest degree of this remainder is 1 and the divisor is having the highest degree 2. So no further division is possible, and this is the remainder which is left with us. And as we have discussed, if some polynomial is the factor of given polynomial, then the remainder should be equal to 0, right? So just equate it to 0, right? So when you equate it to 0, that means the x terms will be equal to 0, the coefficient of x will be equal to 0, and constant is also equal to 0, because we can write the above remainder as 0 times x plus 0, right? And here this 0 can be equated with 10, I hope this is visible, not, then let me write it over here, 10 minus 2p plus 2. When you are equating it, this coefficient of x will be equal to the coefficient of x, that means coefficient of x into the LHS will be equal to coefficient of x into the RHS. So this is equal to 0, right? 10 plus 2 is 12, and when 2p will be coming to the RHS, it will be 12 is equal to 2p. When you further divide this 12 by 2, because the 2 of RHS will come into the denominator of LHS, so this will give you the value of p. So 2 6 times, so this will give you the value of p as 6. The value of p is calculated as 6, right? Now just put up this happens with coefficient of x. This 0 is equated with this, right? Now then you need to equate the constant terms also, that is q minus 5p plus 5. This need to be equated with the constant term of the RHS. So here this one, right? Then we can write q minus 5p plus 5 is equal to 0, isn't it? Now just put up the value of p as 6, which we have calculated. When you put up this value over here, right, what we get? Q minus 5 into 6. The value of p over here is 6, right? Plus 5 is equal to 0. This will give you q minus 30 plus 5 equal to 0. This will give you q minus 25 equal to 0. This will give you the value of q as equal to 25. So students, you can see we have calculated the value of q also. Now we are almost at our answer, because what we were started to solve, we have been asked into the question the value of P plus Q. So we have calculated P, we have calculated Q, so we can write the value of P plus Q as this 6 plus 25, right? So this will give you 6 plus 25, which will give you, when you add, 31. So P plus Q is 31, and this is our answer, right? P plus Q is 31, which is our answer. So I hope you like the solution, students. If any query, you can put up into the comment box. I am always there to help you. Okay. And if you find it useful, you can like it and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.